Warm greetings of the day. I'm very happy to be with you all. It's really a beautiful day, and on this occasion, I welcome all of you to a new and fresh beginning. Hearty welcome to Sacred Heart Public School. Coming back to school after the summer vacation is a time of excitement for all of us, especially for the students. So let us utilize all the opportunities provided by the school and grow together by learning together and fighting against COVID-19.
Warm greetings to all the students, parents, and teachers. With God's grace, His unconditional love and blessings, we all have been able to complete one whole academic year successfully amidst all uncertainties and crises. We all know that these days were quite challenging for all of us, perhaps for all the people around the world. And with the second surge of COVID-19, perhaps it is creating more anxiety and fear among all of us. But life has to move on. We have the career of our students, the beloved ones of each and every one. And we need to look into the future of our students. And before we embark on the new academic year 2021-22, I would like to share a few things with you. Actually, we wanted to have a virtual Zoom meeting with all the parents and students before the school reopening. But considering the number of parents and students we have, we couldn't accommodate everyone into the Zoom meeting. Hence, we thought of sharing our thoughts through this platform. So for the coming academic year, we will commence the school from 1st June 2021. And as per the past practice, we will have online classes, except a few slight changes. That is, for kindergarten and classes 1 and 2, we were following WhatsApp platform, and classes 3 to 12, we had a Google Meet. So this year, along with the WhatsApp group, for classes 1 and 2 and KG, we will have daily one live class through the Google Meet so that the students can interact with their teachers live. And as per the past practice, we will be sharing the school calendar and the exam schedule with all the parents through the WhatsApp group. So all the exams and celebrations will be celebrated virtually, and I would request all the parents that please encourage your students to participate in all these activities. Along with this, we also celebrated a virtual youth festival last year, and this year I would like maximum participation from all the students in the school youth festival. Then I would like to highlight that classes 9 to 12 will have comparatively a little more periods when compared to last year, as their syllabus has not been reduced. Actually, we were planning to distribute the textbooks in the third week of May, but due to lockdown, it was not possible. Hence, the new dates for the distribution of textbooks will be informed in due course. Till then, the subject teachers will take the lessons through WhatsApp and Google Meet and share the soft copy of that particular lesson through Google Classroom and WhatsApp groups. For any further queries regarding the academic year and the other schedules of the school, you can contact your class teachers and we will be guiding them. I would like to seek all your blessings, support and cooperation which you all have rendered to us in the past year. With your cooperation and support, I am sure that we will be able to cope up with this COVID-19. We all know that every one of us is going through financial crisis, and our school is no exception. Hence, I request you all to pay the fees on time even before an official notice is being given, and I request that whatever amount you have, please remit on time so that the gurus of your students are also paid their salary on time and their family can also be bred. Thank you all of you. Keep yourself safe, Follow all the COVID 19 protocols, vaccinate yourself. God bless you, and let God bless us all. Thank you.
A good beginning makes a good ending. So focus on your beginning and move on. God bless you all. Thank you.